In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close a Wealthfront account. Step-by-step tutorial. We'll walk through the exact screens you'll see, and I'll share a few tips so the process is smooth and you don't run into last-minute surprises. First, log into your account on the Wealthfront website or mobile app. Use your usual sign-in method and complete any two-factor authentication if prompted. Having a strong connection and the most recent app version helps prevent errors during the closure process. Before you continue, it's a good idea to make sure any pending deposits or transfers have fully settled and that you've moved out any cash you want to keep elsewhere. You don't need a zero balance to start, but pending activity can delay closure. Once you're on the home dashboard, select your cash account. If you manage multiple accounts, double check that you're opening the correct one, especially if you also have an investment account. We're focusing on the cash account closure here, and each account type has its own flow. Inside the cash account, look to the top right and select Manage. On some screens, this may appear as a gear or settings icon. This opens the account management menu where Wealthfront keeps actions like statements, transfers, and what we want today, closure. Now scroll to the bottom of the management page and select Start Account Closure. This will bring up a clear summary of what closing entails. Typically, closing a cash account stops interest accrual going forward and disables any associated features. So take a moment to read the notes on timing and availability. If there's any remaining balance, the flow will guide you through moving it out. From here, follow the on-screen prompts. You may be asked to confirm your reason for closing, verify your identity, and choose where any remaining funds should be sent. If you're using an external bank you've already linked, select it and confirm the details. ACH transfers can take a few business days to complete, and the account usually closes once all transfers and pending transactions are finished. If you see a message about pending activity, just keep an eye on your email and the app. You'll get a confirmation when everything is done. After you've completed the prompts, watch for a confirmation screen and an email summarizing the closure. For your records, consider downloading recent statements and saving any tax documents from the Documents section before you log out. And that's it. Your Wealthfront cash account is now on its way to being closed. If anything doesn't look right, reach out to support through the app for help.